Hello everyone, my name is Sofia. I'm neurodivergent. I was diagnosed when I was 5 with autism, and I'm here to give some advice for activities and how to support my fellow neurodivergents. So first, my first tip is just low lights, like warmer, kind of yellow lights would help a lot. We don't big lights or like a kind of blue. So having those will help so much more, making the place much more cozier. For my second take, I would say have a lot of positions to sit, so a chair, a puff, anything will help because personally I cannot stay still for more than 5 minutes. So being able to change position from time to time is amazing. Also, take much more breaks that you usually take. I find that concentration, especially for ADHD, is very difficult. So taking more breaks as requested is going to help a lot with the concentration and being respectful to the person that is speaking. Having the possibility to choose between working in groups or work alone, it would be amazing. Because sometimes our social energy gets drained more than a normal person would. So having the possibility to choose between one or two would be very useful to keep a group dynamic, but being able to fulfill each one preference. Noise cancelling headphones would be really nice to have to be able for most people to concentrate and to avoid overstimulation. Besides the headphones, steaming toys are also really useful for concentration. Sometimes we don't have enough stimulation while having a lecture. So having something to entertain our ends or like something more sensitive where we can also focus on, it's really useful to, again, keep the concentration going. As a neurodivergent person, if you ever feel that you're lonely or if you lack community, there's a lot of support groups. We have the Octopus website, and we have groups that are also called Octopus, where you can find people that share the same similarities with you, and they share tips and like links for other support groups. So if you ever feel the need to find the sense of belonging again, this is a good place to start.